And then now, because of the 4 straight wins that we have, it automatically qualifies us for the Asia Cup and so FIBA Asia. So results will speak for itself, diba? I mean, that's the direct, straight answer, diba? It's the change that people have been clamoring for. It happened. It's a breath of fresh air. But I think what's good is for me personally, it's also the alignment, di ba? From management. And then ngayon, makikita mo, si Coach LA na rin ang nasa Batang Gilas. So yung pathway na bubuo, hoping to sustain it, di ba?
Yeah.
Yun naman yung prayer natin lahat ng mga Pinoy, di ba? Na hindi siya matapos. Hindi rin naman bumabata si Coach Tim, hindi rin naman bumabata si Boss Al, di ba? So, Coach Ellie is, although he's new in coaching, he's not also getting any younger, di ba? So, parang eventually, give them how many years or so, Coach Tim, I'm sure, para nakakapagod din. Isipin mo, magko-coach ka sa PB, tapos magko-coach ka pa sa Gilas, nakakapagod yun. That can take a toll, di ba? So, you don't really know how long, 64 years pa yun sa European pala, di ba? But you'll never know how long this trio hanggang kay LA mo pa di ba? Yung tatlo na yan, hanggang kailan pa yan tatagal. But for me, milk it while we can. Habang nandyan pa sila and nagpo-produce ng results, gatasan natin ang gatasan. I think what's amazing also is that si Boss Al kasi, di ba, if there's one thing that parang naririnig natin common sa mga feedback ng mga taong nahawakan niya or nakakatrabaho niya is sobrang mag-motivate, di ba? Ang laking bagay nun for a team manager to be able to do that. Coach Tim says he feels so comfortable talking to Boss Al, di ba? Yung relationship nila nagbe-benefit yung team, di ba? Sa ganda ng tandem nila.